color that is so skinny, or what?
Wow, that thing is pretty nice, huh?
Wow.
But it rained with the window down.
Matching seat.
Beauty.
Except for your backs are so faded.
Come closer, get up. I'm gonna be like, God damn it.
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah. Sorry, my witch laugh came out.
This is a terrible. I need to have real acting. So hold up.
Oh my god, hold on, I'm gonna pee my pants.
God damn it. I suck at acting and I'm sick of this piece of shit. So, welcome to the video. You're gonna see this before our drift event that we just did, and I'm gonna summarize it real quick. So we went driving. Zach was an amazing driver now. He was dominating. It was an awesome day. My car blew up immediately. This thing blew up. So 5 laps in, we got rod knock, and I decided that I wanted to do a JZ swap, and I bought everything. And we're not doing the JZ swap anymore. So I went and bought another JZ this morning because that one was missing parts, and I have 2 JZs. And we ordered a bunch of parts for another car, so I'm gonna rebuild the pink S14. That's what's happening. We gotta fix this car, we gotta sell this car, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna jump right into it. Let's show you everything that we got. So we just picked up this one JZ this morning from an importer. I got the gas tank out of the S14, the pink car, steering column, gas tank straps, drive shaft back there. This is all for the S14. This is the other one. You wanna see my new motor? Sure. Come on, Zach. It's the same thing. Well, look at the expert JZ's advice.
Oh yeah, you're gonna work so hard.
Hard work today. We got 3 hours. Oh, yeah. This is kooky. Well,
V2.
this is actually going to be a Zenki. It is a Zenki. It's a 94. This is the car that we're rebuilding. We're not actually using the pink car. You probably can't even hear me because of my loud ass truck. But yeah. Come on, Melina, you gotta get close.
I'm like,
get on the action.
I can't even see your legs.
Get on the
I'm
action
so
of
close.
the bolt, man.
It's even turning this thing. I would rather not have it on the gimbal. It's not focusing. It's all blurry.
I didn't ask for a lot of things.
Zach asked for me to come here with cars.
I've been begging him for the last 4 years to come here with everything.
And
he
now
owns.
you have 3 cars here, so, you know.
I don't have a shirt to get dirty in besides this one, but that's all that's going on.
The accuracy with a hammer is actually impressive. Okay, can we like put this on something?
No, it's fine. I can kick it. It's not going to be hard.
What if we kick them different directions?
They're still looking.
Oh, yeah, never mind. Okay, don't look at me like that soon. Okay? Yeah, he's gonna love to put that in there.
It ain't going to be the first time this bitch is dragged out of somewhere.
That's some really bad foreshadowing. Yep, go over there. Stand right by Mommy's trunk. There we go. Nice. Woo! Zach with his bright idea. It worked.
More. More. All right. Are you ready for hundreds of hours of hard labor? Angle grinding, grease, monkeys.
Yeah, I guess.
Get up on the action, brother. Just get up on the action. Alright, we're pulling this shit apart. This thing is a freaking rust bug. me get this off so when we put the engine in. Oh my god, that's fine. Me and Zach, we can start on the subframe. I know, I need this box. I need this box off so you can undo the correction.
Take all this AC bullshit out.
There's air plug. Get to work, girl. Damn!
No, I'm saying, oh, right here. I was trying to find.
Alright, so yeah, just don't lose the bolts.
Can you give me a jug?
I'm just, they can all just stay together. Alright, we're gonna remove the subframe.
Can you not do that with my feet under this?
So we're underneath the car. Luckily, when the junkyard guys took the gas tank out, they didn't damage too much stuff, but we got to redo all the fuel lines. They left the hard lines, so we're taking off these rubber lines. We're going to rebend these up. They left us with the straps, and we're going to run up and get some fuel line, and we'll be good to get the tank in. All right. So we're just trying to go through everything and figure out what we need. They just cut some wires and stuff. We're missing some stuff, so I believe this is alternator wires, which is not the end of the world because we can just splice back into it. And actually, we can look at Melina's car and just see where they go. So we got to do that. We got to figure out fuel lines and stuff. But now it's almost time to basically try to put the engine in, which there's nothing exciting about that. There's like 100 Jay-Z cars on YouTube, but should be good. All right, so the dudes who actually imported my S14 for me 5 years ago hooked it up and helped me out with the motor mounts and the drive shafts. So he hooked me up with motor mounts and a trans mount from his car that he built about 5-6 years ago. He just had these in storage. Saved me about $400 for buying new. I got mounts, trans mount, and he hooked me up with a drive shaft. Me and Zach are about to pull out the 1JZ from the truck, the second one. Made it up to the trans and drop it in the car.
About 50 pounds.
I am gonna keep this spring clean. You gotta wait, hold up. Damn, I'm like, I want to flip over. This fucker is hot. Alright, we're gonna dig into this setup real quick because I don't even truthfully know what I have. So this should be a Lexus flywheel. We got factory 350Z clutch, is what he told me. What you think, bud? Race car? Race car? You wanna hold the race car parts? Never seen this done in person before, out of all the years.
This man's literally taking food out of my family's mouth.
That ratchet gets kind of stuck in there.
Yep, does. Ew, what is all that?
What the hell is that? It's grease in the bearing. Oh, how are you getting that out? Oh my gosh, you just went so deep in there.
It'll be okay.
That was so gay. You just went a little deep in there. I mean, you could probably yank on that with something might come out.
Maybe it'll even come out.
All right, so a lot of work been done in here. Melina's been working on the interior. Pulling the dash out so we can get the harnesses run. Taking the steering wheel off because we don't need that. Engine bay, you know, coming along. Coming along. Next thing up, big Jay-Z.
Shaking. Okay. Why is it?
We gotta get it more steep.
Why is it so crooked? Oh, I mean the whole car. Like, why is the whole car
Who knows?
moving?
We're just gonna put this in.
You're crushing a wire.
It's fine.
No, it's not firewall wire.
Or a hose or something. You're crushing
What?
it up against the firewall right there. There you go. Oh god, no.
So now we're wedged up against the firewall
And the
this,
fuse
which means
box.
we need to just jack the trans up, and we can make it work. To get the angle right, and then we'll be driving this thing to McDonald's in about 10 minutes.
Right?
Yeah.
There it goes.
All right, so hold on.
You're
Back up.
back up. Can't record. Get close.
No, just record.
Back up.
All right, so we're stuck on.
Hey, baby,
Well, you're
just
touching
wait.
over here.
Hold on.
Oh, you need to like. We might have to hit it with a hammer. You know what I mean?
Push. Push. Keep pushing.
Fucking move.
Here comes that ugly lip.
Fucking ripped in.
Slower.
I think it's lined up. Yeah, you nailed her. Woo! Man, no beating the trans tunnel?
We don't even know how it looks in there
We
yet.
have no idea. That's a big. Look how. Dude,
the
the
engine
SR
is-
would be like that low.
This engine is
That is way taller than the RB, dude.
Look at that.
That's
We're gonna take the
crazy.
sway bar off. It's right up against the fucking. Actually, those mounts are adjustable. We can slide the engine farther back.
Let's see how the trans lines up. See if we can bolt it.
Fake high five.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so we got the engine in. We got this other engine here we don't need. Might steal some parts off it, but motor mounts are not bolted, it's sitting. Trans mount is also bolted up and then it's just resting on it. Now that we know it fits, which obviously it does, 1,000 people have done this swap. We need to figure out wiring, fueling, back lines, boost lines. I guess I need to figure out intercooler. We need to cut out this metal. We got a bunch of other stuff to do on this thing.